How to fix YouTube app on Samsung Smart TV not working. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can fix the YouTube app on your Samsung Smart TV if it's not working. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is cold boot or soft reset your Samsung Smart TV. Over here, unplug the power cable and wait for a minute. Then plug it back in. After that, make sure you are connected to a stable network. You can check this by browsing the internet or using other streaming apps on your TV. Then check for system updates. Open the side panel, go to all settings, and then support. Over here, you'll find the software update option. Select it, click on update now, and your TV will download and install any available updates. After that, try opening the YouTube app again. Hopefully, it will work this time. If you're still facing issues, then reinstalling the YouTube app should fix it. Over here, go to apps and from the top right corner, enter settings. Find YouTube, and since it's a built-in app, you won't be able to delete it, but you'll see the reinstall option. Select that and your TV will uninstall and reinstall the app. Then try opening YouTube again and it should work without any issues. So that's how you can fix the YouTube app on your Samsung Smart TV if it's not working. That's all for this video.